Welcome, WPP stars, in our kitchen room where we serve a chef's table concept, where we prepare our dishes and also serve our dishes to our guests. The next dish is going to be a signature dish, which is the beet salad. This dish has been on my list since 4 or 5 years, and every time we grow new vegetables, the dish develops and gets more significant and elegant. So I will start playing. First we start with yogurt and star anise. Then roeien, which is normally served with bouillabaisse. And roeien gives the dish a little bit more power. Then we have our small beets from the garden. They are all prepared sous vide style. They're like al dente. Then we have soybeans. White asparagus tips. Then we made a vinaigrette of star anise and hazelnut oil, and we gently coat all the vegetables so they're all seasoned with star anise. And this is actually a dish that surprises our guests the more. For a little bite, which is very important texture, with crispy onions, which I've covered in the beer batter. So you have the soft al dente vegetables, but also a crunchiness. Radishes from the garden. And then we're going to finish the dish with a mousse, which is a nage of vegetables. I believe 15 vegetables, made a bouillon. And then we cook it in as a demi-glace in a siphon. So everything is vegetable based. And then to give the dish a little bit elegance, which I learned in France, a macaron of beets. And then of course, very important, all of our herbs from the garden, which is fennel flowers, star anise flowers. And each flower has a very delicate potency. So every time you eat the dish, you experience each bite something different. This is lemon herb. Also keeps the mosquitoes away if you have it in your garden. So it's a multi-course, herb. And then the bergamot flower that we presented also in the garden. And last but not least, the borage. Also, we finished this with some toasted fennel seeds. And of course, a touch of salt. So you have sweet, fresh, tangy, and very herby. This is my signature dish, the beet salad with star anise, rouille, and yogurt. Please enjoy.